Hi guys, Miss Perkins here. Today we're talking about Module 2, Lesson 22. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to solve addend unknown word problems. So the first thing that we do whenever we have a word problem, we know that we read it 3 times and we do cubes on the 3rd time. So let's get started with reading it. It says, Anne had some pink barrettes in her hair. She already had 7 blue barrettes in her hair. If Anne now has 11 barrettes in her hair, how many pink barrettes did she add? Read again. Anne had some pink barrettes in her hair. She already had 7 blue barrettes in her hair. If Anne now has 11 barrettes in her hair, how many pink barrettes did she add? Alright, now I'm going to read it again this time. I'm going to do cubes as I'm reading it. Anne adds some pink barrettes. Now this is a question mark. In her hair. She already had 7 blue barrettes in her hair. If Anne now has 7 barrettes in her hair, how many pink barrettes did she add? Alright, so whenever we're doing our word problems, we're going to do RWD, which is read, write, and draw. So the first thing is we read the word problem and we do cubes, which is what we did. I circled 7 and 11 as my numbers. Underline the question, how many pink barrettes did she add? Boxed in some pink barrettes, blue barrettes, and just barrettes. That sum lets us know that that is our mystery part. We don't know how many pink barrettes she added. Now we're going to write. We're going to write our number sentence and our number bond. $1 million question. Does the word problem tell us the whole? Yes, it does. It tells us that 11 is our whole. Now, Anne has 11 barrettes in her hair. So 11 is our whole. That's how many barrettes she has in her hair. I'll put a W for whole. So it says Anne adds some pink barrettes. We don't know how many, so I'm going to put a question mark. I'm going to P for pink. She already had 7 blue barrettes. So I'm going to put a 7 and a B for blue. So now we're going to do our number sentence. So we know that she added some pink barrettes in her hair. She had 7. She already had 7. She added some blue. Now she has 11. Because we know it's our parts plus our other part equals our whole. Alright, so now we're going to draw the whole. What is the whole? 11. We know 11 is our whole. So we're going to draw 11, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if you watch, I'm going to do it in 5 groups, but I'm going to stay on the same row. So I have 5. Now I'm just going to make a little finger space. 10, another space, 11. Now we are going to circle the part we know, which we know 7. So we're going to circle 7, and we're going to label it with a B. Okay, so now we are going to count our leftovers, and we're going to label it. We know we're going to label it with a P for pink. And we know that there's 1, 2, 3, 4 that is left. So we know that 7 plus 4 equals 11. So 4 was our mystery number. Alrighty guys, so we know that there was 4 pink barrettes that she added. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.